Hello and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. This is where I'm documenting my journey to strong, healthier nails. Here are my nails from last week. Some of them lasted a bit longer than the others, and I did my best to refrain from peeling off the polish, but of course there was a lot of chipping as I do go to the gym. I try to stick to a 4 or 5 day gym routine, and it's not always the best treatment for my nails. I have gotten into the habit of wearing gloves when I'm lifting at the gym, just so that I can protect my nails as much as possible. But there are still times in the gym and outside the gym, just throughout my daily routine when I'll miscalculate my reach as I grab for something and my hand will slam into the wall or into the counter and my nails will chip. That definitely sounds a lot more dramatic than it actually is in the moment. But it's just like those videos where you'll see someone walking into the furniture and their toe will stub the corner of the legs of the furniture. That's literally what happens to my nails all the time, and they'll get chipped. And really, I just have to get better at slowing down and not rushing so much to do everything. I'm sure that would help with all the casualties that my nails suffer. So I'm gonna file my nails now. I'm gonna change it up this time and file it into a new shape. I believe this would be considered square. Well, either that or a squared oval. I don't want the corners to be too square because I know from past experience how susceptible my nails are to breaking whenever I do that. So I'm leaving the corners a bit rounded. Now I'm gonna apply the base coat, and I'll fill you in on what inspired today's look. Why did I switch up the nail shape? So I was scrolling through Instagram and saw this picture. When I saw this picture, I knew I had to try it. 1, because it seemed like such a simple style, and 2, because it was matte, of course. I really enjoy styles that are simple but elegant. And this one fits into that criteria so perfectly that I have to give it a try. I decided to use the color Graphite from 100% Pure to get this look for today. I already did my right hand, so I'm just gonna continue with 2 coats on the left hand now. Here's how my nails are looking so far with the 2 coats of Graphite. Next is the top coat. I'm going to apply the matte finish, then I'm going to use the gloss finish on the diagonal to get the style. Here's another look at what we're trying to achieve today. So now that I'm attempting the diagonal corner, I'm thinking that maybe I should have planned to use tape for this, just so I can guarantee a clean, straight line. I guess because the style looked so simple and easy to do, I assumed I would just have the ability to paint the line across my nail. It's definitely not as easy as I thought it would have been, but still, I'm sure I could get this without tape if I just practice. Okay, so here we are. My right hand is complete, but I'm gonna finish off my left hand off camera, just so I can really focus on steadying my hand and getting the line as straight as I can. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. How do you think I did? Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back next Wednesday.